In today's world, technology has advanced at an astounding pace, and it seems like science fiction is becoming reality right before our eyes. Artificial intelligence, once a distant fantasy, is now a powerful tool that anyone can use to make money. And in 2025, people are already building real passive income streams with free and powerful AI tools. In this video, I'll share 5 passive income ideas using AI in 2025 that you can start today, even if you have no experience. The possibilities are endless, and we're just getting started. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which AI apps can help you create content, automate businesses, and generate money while you sleep. So stick around, because the last idea could easily grow into a full-time income. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent looking for extra cash or someone who wants to quit their job and become an entrepreneur, these ideas are perfect for anyone looking to earn some passive income. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of AI passive income together. Now, if you guys are new here, welcome to the channel where we discuss everything business and entrepreneurship. Make sure you like and subscribe to join our awesome community. All right. Now let's get straight into it. Idea number 1 is AI-generated YouTube channels. Did you know that by 2026, AI-generated content will account for almost a third of all online content? That means there's a huge opportunity to create passive income with AI on YouTube. Now here's how it works. You can create a YouTube channel that doesn't show your face or require you to show up anywhere. Instead, you can use tools like ChatGPT to write scripts based on audience research from keywords to questions. You can also leverage AI tools like Pictory or CapCut to create videos based on those scripts. These tools use natural language processing to generate videos in seconds. Not only that, but you can also use AI to generate realistic voiceovers. With tools like ElevenLabs, you can upload a text script to the tool and select a voice actor. From there, it uses AI to generate lifelike voices that sound professional and engaging. And here's the best part. There are numerous ways to monetize your YouTube channel. You can earn ad revenue, get sponsorships, create your own products and services, or even sell other people's products through affiliate marketing. If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel in 2025, this is the perfect opportunity to do it with AI. It's easier than ever to create high-quality content that brings in a steady stream of passive income. So go ahead and take advantage of this trend. Create a YouTube channel today. All right, idea number 2 is blogging with AI and SEO. Even though many people think that blogging is dead, it's still alive and well in 2025. In fact, over 500 million people read over 12 billion blog posts published every day. And here's the best part. AI makes it easier than ever to create high-quality blog content that ranks well on search engines like Google, tools like Jasper AI or Copy. AI can generate articles on any topic in seconds. These tools use natural language processing to analyze your keywords and generate relevant and engaging articles. Once you have your content written, you need to make sure it ranks well on search engines. That's where AI tools like Surfer SEO come in handy. Surfer SEO uses AI to analyze your keywords and provide insights on how to optimize your content for better ranking. All you have to do is input your target keyword, and Surfer will generate a list of suggestions for optimizing your content. You can use these suggestions to improve your chances of ranking higher on search engines, which means more people will see your content and click on your ads or affiliate links. To get started, simply sign up for a blog platform like WordPress and choose a domain name that reflects your niche. From there, you can use AI tools like Jasper or Copy, AI to generate content, and Surfer SEO to optimize your content for SEO. As a beginner, you might find it helpful to read up on SEO best practices and learn how to use AI tools effectively. But the good news is that you don't need to be an expert to get started. Just take some time to learn the basics and experiment with different AI tools. Before you know it, you'll have a profitable blog that brings in a steady stream of passive income. Idea 3 is AI print-on-demand business. If you're looking for a unique way to make passive income in 2025, why not try an AI print-on-demand business? This innovative approach combines the power of artificial intelligence with the print-on-demand business model. And here's how it works. First, use AI tools like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to design t-shirts, mugs, and posters. These AI tools use machine learning algorithms to generate unique and eye-catching designs based on your inputs. Next, partner up with print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, or Etsy. These platforms allow you to upload your designs and sell them to customers without having to manage any inventory or shipping logistics. Whenever someone buys your design, the print-on-demand company prints and ships the item directly to the customer, and you earn a commission on each sale. The best part about this business model is that you don't need to invest any money up front. You don't have to buy and store inventory or pay for shipping costs. Instead, you can use AI to generate unique designs that set you apart from the competition. If you're looking for a fun and profitable way to make passive income, consider starting an AI print-on-demand business. Idea number 4 is selling AI ebooks and courses. One of the easiest ways to make passive income is by selling ebooks and courses online. And guess what? AI makes it even easier. You can use ChatGPT to write ebooks on trending topics and Canva to design the book covers and layout. All you have to do is identify a topic you're knowledgeable about or interested in researching and use ChatGPT to generate a comprehensive and engaging ebook. Once you have your ebook written, use Canva to create an eye-catching cover and format your ebook for easy reading. After that, you can upload your ebook to platforms like Kindle Direct Publishing, Gumroad, or Udemy and set your price or leave it up to the platform's algorithm. That way, you'll earn royalties every time someone downloads or reads your ebook. Similarly, you can create mini-courses on trending topics using ChatGPT and Canva. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is that you only have to create the content once. After that, it will generate passive income for years to come. Idea number 5 is AI stock media and templates. The demand for stock images, videos, music, and design templates is constantly increasing, and AI makes it easier than ever to create and sell these assets. There are numerous AI apps available to help you create high-quality stock media and templates. For example, Runway ML can generate videos from text descriptions, while SoundRaw makes it easy to create royalty-free music. Canva is another great tool for creating design templates that can be downloaded and used by other creators. To sell your stock media and templates, you can upload them to marketplaces like Envato Elements, Shutterstock, or Creative Market. These platforms allow you to set your prices and earn commissions on every download. So if you're looking for a way to make passive income by leveraging AI, consider creating and selling stock media and templates. And there you have it, folks. 5 passive income ideas using AI in 2025. But we're not done yet. I've got a bonus idea for you that could potentially be the most lucrative of them all. What if I told you that you could create a website that earns thousands of dollars in passive income every month? It's entirely possible, and it's easier than you think. Imagine a website that provides valuable information to readers while also generating affiliate commissions. AI can help you achieve this by writing product reviews, comparing similar items, and creating guides based on popular keywords. Once you have the content written, you can use tools like Surfer SEO to optimize your website for search engines. To monetize your website, simply sign up for an affiliate program like Amazon Associates or a software tool and place affiliate links throughout your content. When readers click on these links and make a purchase, you earn a commission. The best part is that you only have to create the content once, and your website will continue to earn commissions for years to come. There are numerous tools available to help you create a successful affiliate website. ChatGPT and Surfer SEO are just a couple of options to consider. And there you have it, folks, an additional passive income stream using AI that can potentially generate thousands of dollars per month. So which passive income idea do you like best? Drop your favorite in the comments below and let me know. Maybe I'll make a full tutorial on that idea next. And that's a wrap, folks. Thanks for watching. If you want more AI side hustle ideas, check out my other videos here on the channel. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next AI money-making strategy. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.